Everyone's panicking as Bitcoin crashes below $62,000. But what if I told you this sell-off is revealing the real opportunity nobody's talking about? While traders lose their minds, the smart money is quietly stacking tokens that banks are about to adopt worldwide. Right now, Bitcoin just wiped out months of gains in a brutal sell-off. We're talking about a drop that has retail investors hitting the panic button and checking their portfolios every 5 minutes. The fear is real. Social media is flooded with people asking if crypto is dead again. But here's what nobody's telling you. While Bitcoin grabs all the headlines, there's a massive shift happening in the background that most people are completely missing. And it involves something called ISO 20022. Now I know what you're thinking. That sounds like boring banking stuff. But stick with me because this is about to change how money moves around the entire world. And certain cryptocurrencies, including Cardano or ADA, are positioned right in the middle of it. So what is ISO 20022? Think of it as a new language for banks. Right now, when banks send money to each other, they use old systems that don't talk well together. It's like trying to text someone, but half your message gets lost because your phones speak different languages. ISO 20022 is the upgrade. It's a global standard that lets banks, payment companies, and financial institutions communicate perfectly. More data, faster transfers, fewer errors. By 2025, this standard becomes mandatory for major payment systems worldwide. Here's where crypto comes in. Some cryptocurrencies were built to work with this new system, not against it. Cardano is one of them. While Bitcoin is fighting to be digital gold, tokens like ADA are designed to integrate with the actual banking infrastructure that moves trillions of dollars every single day. Why does this matter to regular people like you and me? Because when banks adopt ISO 20022, they need digital assets that speak the same language. That means potential partnerships, adoption, and real-world use cases. Not just speculation and hype. Think about it this way. Bitcoin is revolutionary, but it's not trying to play nice with banks. ISO 20022 tokens are taking a different approach. They're saying, hey, we know you're upgrading your systems. We're ready to plug right in. Now back to this Bitcoin crash. While everyone's distracted by the price action, smart investors are looking at the bigger picture. Market crashes create opportunities. And when fear is high, that's when you find the best discounts. Cardano is trading way down from its all-time highs, but its technology keeps improving. The team keeps building, and its compliance with international standards like ISO 20022 means it's positioned for institutional adoption, not just retail hype. Other ISO 20022 compliant tokens include XRP and XDC. Each one is building infrastructure for the new financial system, not the flashy stuff that pumps on Twitter. The boring plumbing that actually moves money around the world. So what should you watch for next? First, Bitcoin's next support level is around 58,000. If it breaks that, we could see more panic. But that also means better buying opportunities for long-term stackers. Second, watch for news about ISO 20022 implementation. As more banks go live with a new system in 2025, they'll need digital assets that work with it. That's when these tokens could see serious institutional interest. Third, ignore the noise. Crypto crashes are normal. Bitcoin has died hundreds of times according to mainstream media. The people who win are the ones who stack consistently through the fear. This is educational content only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Crypto is volatile and you can lose money. But here's the truth. While everyone's watching Bitcoin's price, the real story is happening in the background. Banks are upgrading. The financial system is changing. And certain cryptocurrencies are building the rails for that new system. The question isn't whether crypto will survive this crash. It's whether you'll recognize the opportunity while everyone else is running scared. Follow Stack Daily 60 for daily crypto and money tips.